Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's video, we'll be creating a simple yet effective traffic light system using an Arduino and an I2C LCD display. We're not diving into the circuit diagram today, but I'll briefly walk you through the components and the code that powers this project. Here are the components we're using for this project. Arduino, the brain of our project. I2C LCD display, for displaying which road has the green or yellow light. LEDs, representing traffic lights for 3 different roads. Each road has 3 LEDs, red LED, yellow LED, green LED, jumper wires for the connections. First, we include the necessary libraries for the LCD display and set up the pin connections for the LEDs on each road. The LEDs are connected to digital pins, while the LCD uses the I2C protocol to save pins. LCD setup. We initialize the LCD display and show a simple welcome message, traffic signal, on the screen during setup. LEDs configuration. In the setup function, we configure all the LEDs as output pins. This ensures that we can turn them on and off as needed. The system cycles through 3 roads. Each road gets a green light for 5 seconds, followed by a yellow light for 2 seconds. Meanwhile, the other 2 roads display the red light. During this process, the LCD screen displays which road currently has the green or yellow light. This simple function, traffic signal, handles everything by controlling which light is on and updating the LCD with the current road status. Finally, the loop repeats, simulating how real-world traffic lights function at an intersection, ensuring only one road has a green light at a time. You can see that road 1 has a green light and the others are red. After 5 seconds, the yellow light for road 1 turns on, signaling it's about to switch. Then, road 2 gets the green light, and this cycle continues. Everything is displayed on the LCD, so you know which road is active at any given time. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning traffic light system powered by Arduino. It's a simple project, but a great way to learn about controlling multiple components like LEDs and an LCD using just one microcontroller. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more fun and educational electronics projects. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.